Okay, guys, today I want to speak about an inquiry regarding the sourness of our collagen drinks. Collagen drinks come in different formats, in different sizes, like this typical 50 ml bottle, but also come in small, cute little bottles like this of 30 ml, 100 ml, and even big wine size bottles like this. Well, one question that is commonly asked is about the sourness level of collagen drinks and why do collagen drinks usually have this slightly sour taste on them. Well, the reason of that is because in order for a collagen drink to have a shelf life, let's say of 2 years or even 3 years, and maintain stability and safety during that term, the collagen drink needs to have a pH level below 4. Now, what is pH? pH is basically the acidity level. For example, a pH of 7 means a neutral pH level, same as water. Anywhere above 7 is considered alkaline, like baking soda, for example. And anything below 4 and coming all the way to 3 or 2 can be as sour as lemon juice, for example. Now, this is when collagen comes in. Collagen is a protein that has a lot of amino acids, and some of these amino acids are naturally alkaline. That means it raises the pH level in the collagen drink. Now, the trick here is for us to maintain a shelf life and safety level to prevent the growth of any kind of microbe or bacteria in this kind of liquid environment is that we need to reduce the pH level below 4. In order to achieve that, we need to mix acidulants, like for example citric acid or malic acid or some other, of course, food grade and natural acidulants in order to reduce the pH level. And this kind of food culture has existed in humans, like for a long time. Even our ancestors used to conserve foods during long winters using the pickling technique, using vinegar, for example, or other forms of techniques to bring the acidity level down in order to protect food and keep it for a long time. That is one reason why collagen drinks have this tendency to have a little bit of a sour taste. Now, sour taste mixed with some slight sweetness can bring us very pleasant and tasteful, enjoyable deliciousness of the collagen drink when we achieve a proper balance between acidity and sweetness. And that is when sweeteners come to play. Sweeteners are required in order to balance out the flavors of the active ingredients, for example, the collagen itself. Now, sweeteners can turn the product a little bit on a thick, the thickness level of the collagen drink can be adjusted using these kind of thickeners that will make the collagen, or let's say the liquid, more thick as opposed to thin. The more collagen peptide we add into a formulation in terms of, let's say, blend, the more acidulants will be required. And when acidulants are included into a drink, the acidity of the product goes up. In order to balance the acidity, then you need to add sweeteners in order to achieve a perfect sweet spot between acidity and sweetness and achieve a delicious flavor. That is why sometimes when in high concentration collagen drinks, let's say collagen drinks that have more than 10 grams of collagen per 50 ml bottle, let's say we're talking about a 15 or 20% collagen blend in a product, you will find that sourness in the drink that is necessary in order to achieve safety and stability of the product. And at the same time, in order to balance out that sourness, we need to add sweeteners in order to bring it down. So all this is a balancing game in the food industry that is necessary in order to meet nutritional needs, meaning a high content collagen, meaning a high protein content product, that at the same time is shelf stable for a long time, for 1, 2, 3 years, and at the same time is enjoyable to the consumer by the addition of sweeteners. All these balances result in drinks that have a slight sour taste with a slight thick, let's say, thick texture when you drink it, because of this balance between acidulants, sweeteners, and the natural alkaline nature of collagen peptide. So I hope this video was useful. Here at Nizona Corporation, we manufacture, develop, and export dietary supplements to many countries around the world, based here in Kobe, Japan. So please let us know if you have any question about any technicality or development needs of this kind of product. We're always ready to respond to your questions. Thank you very much.